This question from Jee26 2026, 6th April, shift 1. Concept is of total probability. You know probability. Now we will understand total probability. It is based on the conditional probability. Okay. Let us see. A bag contains n+1 coins, in which n fair coins are there and one coin with head on both sides. Okay, n is a fair coin, means normal coin, unbiased coin, and one coin is there which is having head on both the sides. Now a coin is selected at random and tossed. If the probability of getting head is 9/16, then n is equal to, these are the options you have to select. So let us see. First of all, we will assume that let E1 be the event of selecting a fair coin. Okay, and E2 be the event of selecting two-headed coins, we can say two-headed coin. Okay, then according to our question, probability of E1 means you have totality of n+1 coin, so n+1 will be in the denominator, and how much coins are fair? They are n in numbers. Okay, and with the same logic, probability of selecting two-headed coins will be on the totality n+1, and there is only one coin which is having two heads on the both sides, so 1 by n+1. Okay, also let h be the event of getting head. Okay, means you have selected a coin, tossing the coin, and you are getting a head. That event be named as h. Therefore, according to our question, suppose E1 is the event. E1 means we have selected a fair coin. In that case, getting a head will be what probability? 1 by 2. Okay, and similarly, with the same logic, we have selected unfair coins, that is the two-headed coins. In that case, probability of getting head is how much? Sure event 1. Okay, now we will use the total probability theorem. Using total probability theorem, what is the total probability? Says that probability of getting head will be equal to probability of getting head when even type of coin is selected into probability of even plus probability of head given E2 selection of coin and its probability multiplied. Okay, so pH even is your half and P even is n by n plus 1. Okay, plus pH E2 is 1 and P of E2 is 1 by n plus 1. So you are getting n plus 2 by n plus 1 into 2, and this is given as your, according to your question, it is given as 9/16. Okay, this is by according to the question. Now we will cross multiply. So 16n plus 32 will be 9 to the 18n plus 18. Therefore 32 minus 18 32 minus 18 equal to 18, n minus 16 and 2n. This will give you 14 equal to 2n. So n is your 7. And this is the option D. Okay. So option D is the correct. Now one more way you can do is correct. This is the using total probability. Otherwise, if you want to do it in a normal ways, just by your like of tree diagram, then what you will do is there is one bag, okay, and in a bag there is a fair coins, okay. So you write it fair coin, and there is a biased coin, we can say, okay. Biased coins means having head on both the sides. So fair coin probability of selection is n by n plus 1, isn't it? And biased coin selection probability is 1 by n plus 1. Okay. Now, getting head with the fair coin, what is the probability? Half. And getting head with the unfair coin will be 1 because both side you will get 1. Okay. So, ultimately you have to get head. So, getting head like n by n plus 1 into 1 by 2 plus 1 by n plus 1 into 1, and this is given as 9 by 16. Similar expression you have got like here, yes or no? Okay, directly you can get. Now after you will solve, you will see the same result. Okay, so this is by tree diagram, and now I will leave it for you. You can do it on your own. Okay.